Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I'm doing a sit down video after the longest time and I really miss this. I don't know why I was not doing these anymore, but now I'm back. So anyway, coming back to today's video, today we are doing PR unboxing. So a lot of nice brands, some of my favorite brands, some new brands, they send me a lot of PR almost every month. So I thought let's just sit down and show some of these cool new products to you guys, because why not? I personally love discovering new products and trying them out, because as a part of my job plus as a person also I love trying out new products. And I think PR, like receiving PR from brands, is one of my favorite parts about being a content creator. It's just, it feels special. It feels like the brand sees some value in you to send you PR and to give you PR basically. Let's just get into the video. It's gonna be a long one, I think. And also I'm gonna be hosting a giveaway on my Instagram towards the end of this month sometime. So stay tuned on my Instagram page for more details, because I would love to share some of these products with one of you guys. So yeah, I'm very excited. Anyway, let's begin the video because we have a lot of things to cover. So first up, let's do Bioderma, because it's one of my favorite brands out there. I love their micellar water and their cleansers. It's amazing. Now I recently attended an event with them, and that's why they gave me a bunch of products to try out and some of my old favorites. First up, we have the most popular micellar water from Bioderma. Now this one is extremely gentle on your skin and it takes off your makeup, like every bit of it, अच्छे से. So I already use it on an everyday basis. It's there on my shelf and I just love this product. Then we have another foaming cream. Now basically it's a foaming cleanser for dry skin people. Now I have a very dry skin, and on some days when I need extra hydration, I have used this and it's great. Then we have the new launch, which is this lip balm. Now this lip balm I've tried, I've used, and it's so hydrating. I mean, great for chapped dry lips. It has no fragrance whatsoever, but it's just like your basic lip balm but so much better. Lastly, we have the another new launch, which is this cleansing gel for sensitive and dry skin. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm really excited and looking forward to try this out, because their cleansers are amazing. I'm already using their, pink bottle cleanser. I don't know the name of it, but it's so good. It takes everything out, and on days when I've had a long day, I definitely go in with that cleanser and it just takes all that gunk off, which feels amazing. So that's all from Bioderma. Thanks to the brand and their team for all of these products. Really grateful. Next up, we have Innisfree. Again, this is one of my favorite brands and I attended an event with them very recently, so they gave me a lot of their cool new products and some of my old favorites again. So first up, we have their OG. It's the Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask, and I kid you not, it's one of the best clay masks I have ever used. Now I'm not big on masks, but this one I really love on days, or just on a weekly reset sort of situation. I apply this and I feel like all my pores are clean. It just deeply cleanses everything. Next is again their Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. Now this is their limited edition in the flavor Cool Mint Chocolate, which is amazing. I have not tried this yet. I'm so looking forward to it, because I'm sure it's gonna feel, cool and minty on my skin, plus it's gonna smell like chocolate, so it's gonna be a great experience. Then in this box, what all we have, let's see. So we have the new launch, which is the Volcanic Swirl Pore Mask. This is a daily mask. You can use it daily and you just have to keep it on for 3 minutes, which is amazing. Then we have some cute thoughtful things in this PR package. This is a exfoliator and this is a face mask applicator. Then we have a headband for masking situation. So yeah, thank you so much to Innisfree for sending this across. Next up, we have a few products from Foy. Now Foy is a platform like Tira and Nykaa, which is dedicated specifically to all Korean skincare and makeup products. So I got this Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner, which is very hydrating, and this is something that I've been meaning to try. Then we have this body scrub from Dear Doer. I've already used it and I'm a fan, because it's very gentle on the skin and it has very mild fragrance as compared to other body scrubs that I've used. So I really love it for that, and it is very creamy and hydrating, so it leaves your skin moisturized, which is the best part. And then the showstopper for me is this blush from her. Now, this is the best blush I've ever used. This is so good that I'm ready to spend 2000 rupees to get it again because it's damn good. Like today, I've put it on and you can see how gorgeous this looks. The color, the pigment, plus how easily it blends into your skin and how natural it looks. I am just a fan. Even my Didi is a fan, so I'm definitely getting another one and restocking in almost every color because I'm a blush paglu that way. So I would say if you love blushes and you are ready to spend a little bit more than usual on a blush, then do try this out from Foy because this is amazing. I'm not even kidding. Next up, we have this huge package from Amazon Beauty. Now, Amazon has many different beauty brands under them, and I recently attended their event and end up receiving all this PR from different brands. So I'm just gonna quickly show it to you. Firstly, we have this double shot radiance lift serum from Hyphen. This is their new launch and I'm so excited to try this out for myself. I was gonna order it by myself, but I received it, so I'm definitely going to give it a shot and see how it performs and works on my skin. Next up, we have this viral fluid sunscreen from Wishcare. I have heard such great reviews about this one that I'm so excited to try it for myself and see how it works on my skin. Next, we have a moisturizer from Minimalist. Now, Minimalist is one of my favorite skincare brands. This is their face moisturizer with vitamin B12, ceramides and all of the good stuff, which is great for your skin barrier and soothes your skin. Then we have this small travel kit from Plum. It has the gel cream, moisturizer, face wash and sunscreen, which is great for traveling. I mean, it's so tiny that it'll fit any bag of yours, and it has a basic skincare routine, which is something we all want, I guess. Next, we have this huge collagen repair conditioner from Pantene. Now, Pantene is a hair care brand which I think takes me back to my childhood in a way. So I'm really excited to see how this works because it has collagen for your hair and I think my hair can use some moisture for sure. Next, we have an exciting product from Tetir. Now, this brand has been the highlight of the season and this is their lip oil which I'm really excited and looking forward to try. Next, we have a couple of products from Accesswire. One is their sunscreen which is very popular, and one is their dark spot correcting glow serum which is great to minimize the appearance of dark spots on your skin. So I'm really looking forward to try this one because I have a lot of acne scars on my face and I want to see if this really works because it's an expensive product. Then we have an eyeliner from Maybelline. This is the tattoo liner which is supposed to be very nice. Then we have a small travel size perfume bottle from Bella Vita. It's their white oud perfume. Let me see how that... Okay, it's a bit strong for my personal taste, but if you are into strong scents, you would really like it. Lastly, we have this hydrating cleanser from CeraVe. Now, I've heard such great reviews about this product and I've always wanted to try this product, but I have so many products that I never got to purchase it for myself. Now that I've gotten it, I'm definitely going to try this out in my everyday skincare routine and see how, like, what the fuss is all about basically. So yeah, that's all from Amazon, guys. Now we have some random products from different brands. So let's go one by one. First is this body conditioner from Skinvest. Now this is a new product, one of its kind. I've never heard of a body conditioner as such. This is an in-shower body conditioner. So basically you apply it right after your shower and just pat yourself dry and it'll condition your body within the shower, which is amazing, which is something so creative and new. Also the packaging, it's super cute, it's so aesthetic. Next up, we have this cleanser from Benefit India. It's their Pore Professional range and I've heard again some great reviews about this. People swear by this product for that deep cleansing and I'm really looking forward to see how it works on my skin. So thank you Benefit India for sending this across. Then we have this lip gloss from this brand called Rom, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but it's a lasting color gloss and I am in love. I mean, it looks so amazing. On days when I don't feel like wearing a lipstick, I just put this on and it gives me that gloss along with some tint and it's the perfect everyday use product for me. I'm definitely getting many more shades of this one. This one is in the shade 03 Rose Finch. Next up, we have these vitamin C sheet masks from a brand called Lebelage. It's a Korean brand and this one is from Korea. My cousin recently went to Korea and got these for both of us, me and my sister. And I've not actually tried it on, but I'm so looking forward to try this out because it's a very different looking mask. Plus, it is enriched with vitamin C. So yeah, I'm really excited to use these. Korea does some really creative, nice products, and I'm always so amused and so excited to try them out. And lastly, we have something that I've recently purchased and have been using for a while now. It's the Beauty of Joseon eye cream. Now again, like I watched so many videos looking for the best eye cream out there in the market, and this one was top recommended by most people. So I was like, let me just give it a shot and see how that works for my dark circles and overall under eye health, I would say. And it has helped with my dark circles also, very slightly, but you know, I'll have to use it very consistently in order to see any result. So I just wanted to include this product because I've been a fan and I've been loving it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I have a lot of products over here, so do stay tuned for the giveaway on my Instagram. I'll be hosting it very soon towards the end of the month, and do comment below what products would you like to receive in the giveaway. I would love to, you know, include them in the package. If you enjoyed watching this video, do like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your girlfriends because I think they would enjoy watching this mini haul sort of a situation. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.